If you're trying to find leads for your business but struggling to find the right decision makers, email outreach can be one of the most effective strategies. But the challenge is finding verified contact information and managing outreach efficiently. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to run an email marketing campaign using Lusha, even if you're completely new. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description, which you can use to sign up and follow along for completely free. Now, let's dive in. What is Lusha? Lusha is a sales intelligence platform that helps you find verified business contact information, such as emails and phone numbers. It's commonly used by sales teams, recruiters, agencies, and B2B businesses. The goal is simple. Find decision makers, reach out, start conversations, and today we're focusing specifically on running an email campaign. So let me show you how to set it up. The first thing you want to do once on lusha.com, you're going to tap on sign up, and from there you will be able to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And the first thing I recommend you do is tap on install extension. After selecting install extension, it is going to redirect you to the Chrome web store. From here, you're going to tap on add to Chrome. Once you have selected add to Chrome, you're going to tap on add extension. By adding the extension, you'll be able to find verified contacts on LinkedIn quite quickly, and you'll be able to push it to your email campaign. So you can see right here, it automatically opens LinkedIn, and in the top right hand corner, you can see now we have this pop up. All we got to do is tap on got this, and you can see it is loading up. Now that we've installed the plugin, it is now time to find targeted leads. With Lusha, you have two options. You could either use the plugin on LinkedIn. For example, you could go onto LinkedIn, then let's say we were to do a quick search. After doing the search, all you'll need to do now, you can tap on the company. Once you have selected the company, or you could simply tap on people, and then from there you will tap on the Lusha icon in the top right hand corner, and you'll be able to see all of the employees, and you'll be able to filter the employees. And the beautiful thing about Lusha is, if for example we were to select an employee, all you need to do is tap on show details, and you can see it will take 6 coins and it will automatically show the contact information. You can also push the contacts to your Lusha dashboard. Now, if we were to go back into Lusha, the second option would be to go over to the left-hand menu option, select search. From here, you can use different filters. So let's say, for example, you want to target marketing managers in SaaS companies. You can filter by industry. So for example, you could go over to the left-hand menu option. As you can see right here, you could type in a company name. You could tap right where you see industry. After selecting industry, from there we could type in, for example, software, and select software development. After selecting software development, you could also fine-tune it even further. By scrolling down, you can see different options right here. So let's say, for example sake, you could filter by technology, year found. You can also tap on job title, and from there we could type in, let's say, marketing manager. So let's do that real quick. After typing in marketing manager, you could also filter by location. So you can scroll down and you can see right there, you can filter by department, seniority, and different options, as you can quickly see right there. So you can be very specific when it comes on to Lusha. You can also filter by revenue. Once you're finished doing that, you can select whichever one of these contacts you would like to use, or you could simply tap right here to select all 23. Once you have found the verified contacts, it is now time to reveal the contact information. To reveal the contact information, let's say, for example, this contact right here, you could simply tap on show details, and it will automatically show the emails and phone number. Or if it is a case that you like to only show the email, so let's say I were to tap on show email only. After tapping on show email only, you'll be able to see the emails, as you can see right there when it comes onto Lusha. This is one of the main reasons businesses use Lusha. It helps you access accurate contact data. You can select the contacts you want to reach, then add them to a lead list. To add them to a lead list, we'll simply tap right where you see actions, and you're just going to tap on add to list. After selecting add to list, we're going to be creating a new list. So we'll tap on create a new list, and I'll be calling this list test contacts. Then we'll tap on create and save. Once you have selected add to list, you could create a new list by tapping on create a new list right here, and you'll be able to save it. I've created a list already, so I'll simply tap on the list name, then we'll tap on continue to save it. Once it has been saved, by the way, I want to go back into LinkedIn to show you something else. When it comes onto the Lusha plugin, not only does it work on LinkedIn, but you could go onto a website, for example. Once on the website, you're also going to see the pop-up on the right-hand column. From there, you'll be able to view all of the employees. So we could select all employees or popular employees. So again, you'll be able to filter, and you'll be able to filter by seniority or department. So with Lusha, you'll be able to do research on basically any website. So this is one of their major standout features. Now let's go back into the dashboard. Once on the dashboard, the next thing you're going to do now, you're going to organize your lead list. So now that you have added contacts to a list, it's important to organize them. So we'll go over to the left-hand menu option. Now that you have added contacts to a list, it's important to organize them. So for example, you go over to the left-hand menu option. From here, you're going to select all contacts. After you have selected all contacts, you could separate them. So for example, you could create a separate list for marketing managers, founders, sales leaders, and so on. Segmenting your contacts helps you send more personalized emails, which improves response rate. Now let's write our email campaign. From here, you could tap on the box in the top left-hand corner, and you could select all of the contacts, or you can filter the contacts that you don't want to reach out. So as I said earlier, you can more personalize it. So let's say we were to select just these contacts, then we're going to tap on sequence. After selecting sequence, from here, you can see contacts selected 19. Then you'll see the option select an email sequence, and you have outbound outreach, and we're going to tap on add contacts to sequence. After selecting add contacts to sequence, you can see that it has been added, and you're going to tap on your sequence. Once you have selected your sequence, from here you can see how it looks. So you have email day 1, and you have email day 2, and you have email 3, email 4, and you can also see the separate days. Now to organize this or to change it up, all you need to do is tap right here, and you could tap on edit. Once you have selected edit, you'll be able to edit the email, so you'll be able to change the email to whatever you want. So you could type it out, or you could leave it as is. And you can use AI platforms to help you write this email. Or you can go over to the right-hand menu option, and you'll be able to send a test email if you want. So you could tap on send test email, but you can see how it is structured right here. Another thing that you can also do is you can choose the days that you would like to send it. So for example, if you would like to, for example, add a delay in between, you can select a particular amount of days you would like to add the delay for, and so on. So we're just going to tap on discard changes, and we're going to leave the templates as is. Once you have done that, you can tap on contacts, and you can see the contacts right here. Again, you can select the contacts that you would like to use. Then you will tap on emails, and you'll be able to see their emails. So you can see right there, you can tap right there, and you could select whichever one of these platforms you'd like to see their email for. Then you will tap on schedule, and you'll be able to schedule when you would like to start the outreach. So a lot of persons recommend that you do outreach 5 days per week between Monday to Friday, and I also recommend that. And you can also select the specific time that you would like to schedule emails to be sent. And once you're finished doing all of that, you're going to tap on save, and we'll simply toggle on outbound outreach. So you can toggle on outbound outreach, and you can select the email account that you would like to connect. So let's say I would like to connect my Gmail or Outlook. I can tap right here, and you'll be able to connect your account. Then you'll tap on save changes, and you'll be able to send your first email campaign. Once you have sent your email campaign, it is now time to track campaign results. Inside the Lusha dashboard, you can monitor email opens, replies, and engagement. By going over to the left-hand menu option, you can select engage. After you have selected Engage, from here you'll be able to monitor the open rate. This data helps you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Let's check out their pricing. As you can see right here, you can get started on their monthly plan for completely free, and their starter plan is for $49. With the $49 plan, you will get 400 credits per month, and with their Pro plan, it begins at $69, and their Premium plan is for $399. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.